The Lumax journey is a journey that started almost 7 decades ago. This journey has gone from good to great, creating an organization that is built to last. The pillars on which Lumax was established stand strong even today. It was the late Shri S.C. Jain, whose principle of customer first laid the foundation for the group. As time went by, Lumax grew from strength to strength. It is not one single thing that sets us apart, but a combination of many. And when we put all these together, they enable us to raise the bar again and again. Lumax is a global player in the auto component business and is recognized as a leader in automotive lighting and gear shifters. With an unparalleled range, Lumax provides world-class solutions. From two-wheelers to four-wheelers, from passenger vehicles to commercial vehicles, there isn't any automotive category that we do not cater to. The strategy of partnerships created our resolve of bringing the world's best companies to India. Today, Lumax partners leading names, bringing state-of-the-art technology to Indian roads. Lumax has developed a robust client base in both domestic and overseas markets. Our market leadership has been attained and preserved by successful utilization of our products by major global automotive manufacturers for several decades now. Leveraging its strong global partnerships, Lumax is able to deliver world-class products both locally and globally. Over 90% OEMs in India trust Lumax lighting solutions. This is fueled in no small measure by our 3-decade-old collaboration with Stanley Japan, a world leader in vehicle lighting and illumination products for automobiles. Lumax is powered by state-of-the-art plants that are spread across 7 states in India. A dedicated design center in Taiwan enables us to be at the forefront of technological innovation. Our sharp focus on research, innovation, and bringing cutting-edge technology to India has enabled us to create superior facilities across the length and breadth of this country. technology is a key component of our success. So are the 9,000 plus people Lumax comprises of. Our people practices have put us in a path of progressive transformation. The emphasis on creating equal opportunities, employing women on the shop floor, and managing a work-life balance is a goal we constantly strive for. Continuous investment in research is one of the key reasons why Lumax has grown steadily over the years. Finding better, faster, and more reliable solutions has led us to becoming the preferred partner to top OEMs in India and overseas. Our long-standing association with all our collaborators has paved the way for several innovations and kept us firmly in the driver's seat. Today, Lumax is future-ready with a keen eye on the automotive needs of tomorrow. Our endeavor to make a difference is not limited to the realm of auto component technology. Lumax has been a torchbearer for several social initiatives in India over the last several years. We have championed causes ranging from girl-child empowerment to life enrichment programs to several healthcare initiatives for the underprivileged. These initiatives are spearheaded by the Lumax Charitable Foundation, which has a clear mandate of positively transforming the lives of communities around our plant locations. Today, the Jain flag flies high. It all started with the vision of our founder, a vision that charges ahead even today, creating progress through unbridled positivity. We are well on our way to becoming a high-performance global organization, and we'll get there with the same values that have brought us to where we are today. Respect, integrity, passion, and excellence.